In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot's service area and what each tool is for, so you can manage customer conversations, measure performance, and build a smooth support experience. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're in, look for the service section in the main navigation. This is your home base for all things support. Think of it as a dedicated workspace where tickets, chats, surveys, and reporting all come together, so you don't have to jump between different systems. Inside service, start with Help Desk. This is the central hub for tickets. Here you can see every customer request in one place, organize them by priority, and assign ownership so nothing slips through the cracks. Make use of filters and views to focus on the tickets that matter most right now, and keep notes and internal comments tidy so teammates can jump in quickly. Next, explore Customer Success. This area is designed for managing ongoing relationships, keeping an eye on customer health and renewal timelines, and staying proactive rather than reactive. It's a great spot to align the team on what success looks like for each account and to capture context that helps you anticipate needs before they become issues. You'll also find the Customer Agent Workspace, which brings a rep's daily tools into a single place. Agents can track their assigned tickets, review conversations, and keep communications consistent. Clear naming conventions and concise updates here make collaboration faster and handoffs smoother. Chat Flows is where you build live chat and bot experiences for your site. Use it to greet visitors, route questions to the right team, and collect basic details before a human steps in. Keep the language friendly and the paths short, and test common scenarios so customers get quick, accurate answers. The Customer Portal gives your customers a transparent view of their open and closed tickets. It reduces back and forth by letting them check status and add updates when it's convenient. Keep the portal clear and up to date, and your team's credibility goes up instantly. Surveys let you capture feedback with NPS, CSAT, or CES formats. Keep surveys brief, ask at the right moments, and tag responses so you can spot patterns and take action. Finally, head to Analytics to measure what's working. Track response and resolution times, ticket volume, channel performance, and trends over time. Use these insights to fine-tune staffing, improve processes, and celebrate wins. That's the service area in HubSpot support. Log in, go to service, and use Help Desk, Customer Success, Customer Agent, Chat Flows, Portal, Surveys, and Analytics to deliver excellent